Hey neighbors, welcome to the Shed Shop. In this edition of Will It Be Redeemed, I have here neighbor Jonathan Luna's Stihl 025 that we rebuilt live on the channel for you with a brand new Meteor top end. And this is the last thing I have to do for the night, is I need to see if his saw is going to run, and if so, we're going to go ahead and get it idled through a tank while we make a decision on bar and chain, because I have to get him some prices. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, buy some of my chip, please. Okay, I got saws for sale, we got merchandise for sale. You can see down below, or you can scroll over to the shop and find the different t-shirts and sweaters and mugs and cell phone cases we have. Chainsaw Redeemer makes about this much profit off of that stuff, but he pours it right back into the channel. So you guys, please buy some chip. Buy some Hey Neighbors chip. Buy some hashtag persevere. You only fail if you quit chip. Buy some I Know My Rights chip. And if you need a chainsaw, buy that chip. And if you want your chainsaw worked on by me, well, smallengineredemption@gmail.com, or comment down below. Get a hold of me, and I might be able to work on your chip, because I am taking in customer stuff again and subscriber stuff again. So basically, I just want to see if this saw is going to start. I do believe I have my carb at the right spot. That rope is short. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's got some hella compression. There she is. Damn, Jonathan Luna, this saw has got more compression than 2.5 or 250 I've ever pulled cord on. Okay, I hate when they start out doing that. I really do. Luna, did you not have... You didn't. I gotta get you a grommet, neighbor. Okay, let's see where we are. Half. 1. 1 1/8 or 1 1/4. Damn, am I really that far out? Okay. So, let's go quarter, half, 3/4. Damn it. Yeah, I gotta get you a grommet, buddy. 100%. I have one. There's 1 1/8 turn on that. I gotta get this filter out of the way. This filter cover out of the way. This saw's got hella compression, man. Damn. Let's see where this is at. Half. 1. Okay, we're out 1, so we'll go half. 1 1/8. A little bit further out on our load jet. Let's see about where our idle's at. Looks pretty close. Oh, come on, baby. Damn. Uh-oh. She's not getting enough fuel. He did think this carburetor might be bad, so let's go another quarter turn on each. Yeah, it sounds flooded, damn it. Yeah, nothing. Shit. I wonder if his needle's not seated. I'm only going out because if it's too rich, it's already flooded. But if it's too lean and we go in, we're not gonna. It would try and start if it's too rich and bog real bad. But I don't think it was too rich. Yeah, she's not gonna start. See if we got pressure in our tank. Didn't get no whizzing. Don't like that. There's definitely enough gas in it. I only put a half a tank. So now it's turned into a Dr. Diagnostics. Alright, let's see if we can figure out what's wrong. Let's pressure test our carburetor real quick. Yeah, I can't pull any more cord tonight. That hurts. She popped, but she didn't go after that. I mean, damn, this saw is just... It's an 025. It shouldn't pull that strongly. I've done Meteor top ends on these, and I've never had one quite that strong. Okay. So, we will pressure test our carburetor here. Seems okay. It doesn't appear to be leaking. We might have the reverse of that. Our inlet needle might not be lifting at all. Let's make sure our impulse hose is hooked up. It does appear to be. Okay. Yeah, our pickup body is brand new and it's nice and clear. Okay, so that's that. Now let's go ahead and pull our spark plug. It is easier if you pop your air filter off. And let's see if we flood it out, okay? Let's see here. Scrunch. I'm disappointed it popped and died right away, and usually they'll restart. I hope I didn't have a crankshaft seal blowout or something, because that was my last set of Pharmatech crankshaft seals. All I have is cheap ones now. No, she's not. Doesn't seemingly be. It's not getting a lot of fuel. There's fuel in there, but there should be a lot more with all that pulling. Okay, everything looks fine. It's all brand new still. So I would say, let me think here, neighbors. Yeah, I've got blowback here in the carb. Pickup's working, everything's working, and my adjustment screws are way out already. Damn it. So we might have a plugged up carburetor here. I might have to perform a vac pressure test too. Let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Damn it, I was really hoping this was just gonna be a start and simple let it idle while I go ahead and wind down for the evening. But it doesn't look like that's going to be the case. I know Luna's not in a hurry for his saw, but I don't want to get behind with having a bunch of neighbors' stuff here again. Our aftermarket freaking filter housing is stuck. Go figure. Everything in my life is just nightmarish, you guys. Everything this happens to me with everything. I'm just going to start letting you guys see all the bad videos too, where everything is just consistently going nightmarishly wrong for me. Like this thing should pop right off and it is just jammed right on there. It's just stuck on there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, just completely stuck. Completely stuck, you guys. It should not happen. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Oh, here lately this has been happening on these things and it's bullshit. It shouldn't be that hard to get off. Of course, everything in my life shouldn't be that hard. Oh, his tank vent is leaking. Okay. This looked like a brand new tank vent, but yeah, she's oozing gas good. That might be our issue. That's why we didn't get our whizzing. Okay, so, yeah, I thought this tank vent was going to be good. I didn't think I was going to have any concerns with it. But let's go ahead. Now I want to try a different tank vent and see if that, before I tear it, because this thing's a nightmare right now. Just doesn't want to come off, and I don't think I'm going to fight it tonight, you guys. So, but if I work on it tomorrow, we'll just merge two videos, hopefully. I just am behind on footage again. And so, that's why I'm getting a second phone, so that I can stop doing you guys dirty. I'm not getting you footage and having to do it half-assed most of the time. So, I reset that set screw, but I'm just going to try a different tank vent altogether. It looks like a brand new tank vent. I'm surprised it was leaking. Okay, it shouldn't be pushing gas out of the tank vent. Damn it, you guys see where my other 8mm went? There it is. Okay. There's that. Now I gotta reset our carb again here. Bear with me, neighbors. Half, 1/4. Half, 1/4. Let's get our air filter back on so we don't suck no bad air. Might be his air filter's restricted too. His air filter was very clean, so I didn't replace it. Okay, so we'll just make a little tank vent here real quick. Okay, just a little bit of fuel line here. Damn, what the hell? My life is so messed up. Stretch that out a bit on both ends to make it easier to install. Okay, this is just a simple duck bill. This is what you're going to find on a lot of your Echo chainsaws as a tank vent. Tank vent is a pretty simple concept. A lot of them are one way. The newer ones are a two-way. Yeah, I think setting that screw down helped, but they usually have 2 set screws in them. This one only has 1. I'll have to ask Jonathan if he made that, or if somebody he got the saw from made it. Okay, this is a little long, but we're just using it as a test real quick. And it's going to be a nightmare to get on this nipple. It usually is. Okay, got it started. That's the easy part. Doesn't want to go down. Okay, I can't pull too much cord anymore, honestly. So we'll just give this a whirl and see what happens. And then we'll have to continue another day. Because I am hurting really bad, honestly. Yeah, no, she doesn't want to go. Not gonna go, you guys. That's what we go through, though. I go through this shit a lot. And it will be something silly, stupid that will take me hours to trace down, probably. Because now we have to vacuum pressure test it. See if somehow we have an air leak. And we have to inspect our carburetor, see if we're getting fuel flow. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now. We can just pull our fuel line off and see if there's fuel coming out of the fuel line, because it should naturally flow with the cap tight and a good tank vent. Just bear with me here. Okay. I do feel like it's probably, it looks, there's fuel in the line. Okay, yeah, we're not getting fuel flow. Okay, there should be fuel naturally coming up. Our gas cap was kind of loose though. Damn arthritis. Let me show you here. Damn it. Damn it. Sorry guys. Getting frustrated. There should be fuel naturally flowing out of this right now. Okay, and there's not. And so, that's a problem. See here, I'm going to do one thing real quick. See if I can get it flowing. And then see if it will stay flowing. Okay. No, it won't. Yep, so This is a brand new cap. I'm trying to contemplate what could be causing that. And really the only thing I can think is maybe somehow there's a hole in our fuel line, but we pressure tested our carb through our fuel. No, we pressure tested our carb off the sol, didn't we? Didn't we? Yeah, we did. Okay, let's test our fuel line. Let's pressure test it right here through our fuel line and see what happens. Ugh, goodness sakes. Everything has to be difficult. Okay, turn this to pressure. And we're getting no pressure. Oh, I gotta put it back on the damn carb. Actually, I'm just gonna test the fuel line itself only. So I'm gonna pinch this end off here. Okay. Go to 15 pounds. And see if our fuel line is leaking or not. Because other than the seal on the gas cap, which I thought I gave him a new gas cap, or maybe he, damn it, I can't remember, you guys. That's what I hate. I can't remember from a few days ago what I did to this man's saw, whether he had good gas caps on here or whether I had to replace them. I can't remember. Because this is, oh, did I go fully to 15? It's not letting me go any higher. Can only get to 14. Damn, that's weird. Just trying to submerge this in gas and see if I see any bubbles. I don't. I do believe we're actually losing air. It's hard to tell. Hard to tell, neighbors. Let's try again. Really, I should be testing this from the other side. There we go, 15. And then while I'm doing that, I'm trying to get this seal off. The unfortunate thing is, I do not think I have any of these. I just had that damn screwdriver. There it is. Because if the cap is not sealing, that will most definitely prevent fuel from flowing because the atmospheric pressure does not equalize. I know I have some flat washers like this. Some flat gas cap seals like this, but I don't know if I have the ones for these caps specifically. It looks like I do. It looks like the size I need. Okay, that's still holding pressure. This is the only other thing I can think of, honestly. Let me see, where is our gaskets case? Probably the last one way in the back as usual. Of course it is. Last one way in the back. Gotta move all the other 6 to get to it. Let's see. I don't know if this is the right size, damn it. And it's the only ones I have. I might have to go grab a brand new damn cap. Shit. I could have sworn I ordered these bitches. Could have sworn I did. That's for home lights. And that's for the larger Stihls. I don't know if this is the right one. What did I just do with that, you guys? Damn it, there it is. Let's see here. It does appear that it is. Okay, so we'll replace that because we are still holding pressure. And then we'll see if that allows atmospheric pressure to equalize. I mean, it's unlikely that his tank vent was bad and the one I just put on is bad. Okay, so I'm going to get that on past our threads and down into the groove here without damaging it. And it flips over like that and it can make it difficult. Yep, it wants to fight me. I'm just trying to work that in. I want to show you guys, but it's kind of hard to show you. Sorry. Yeah, it doesn't want to go. Sometimes what I can do is, there we go. Just had to fold it sideways and then work the rest of it in. Yeah, we're still holding pressure. Okay, so let's go ahead, remove that, put our fuel filter back on, and I might try a different fuel filter because those came from Jesse, and I haven't, no, those did not, I'm sorry. I don't recollect where those came from. They came from our Chino neighbors. They were really cheap, so I figured I'd try them. Okay, now let's see if we have gas flow. I don't want it to shoot continuously. I don't want to lose, so I'm going to grab vice grip, or damn it, needle nose here. No gas flow. None whatsoever. Oh, there it goes, guys. See? Okay, so that right there, beautiful. I love this. So many people tell me that will not prevent your saw from running. I just proved it will. Well, I proved that it can cause you not to have gas, and that will prevent your saw from running. So let's go ahead and get this biatch back on and see if we can get our saw fired up. Okay? And then I'm going to have to go back and watch the damn footage on his saw and see, did I replace that cap or not? Because if so, Stihl is going to owe me a new cap. Damn it, come on, baby. I'm going to have to let some fuel fly out here. Damn, come on. Ah! Nightmares, as usual. Everything's got to be impossible. I can't see, damn it. Okay, there we are. Get that all the way on. And let's try one more time. I'm so tired of pulling cord. I lost a lot of gas there. One more time, neighbors. Damn, 22 minutes already. I just cannot make a short video no matter how hard I try. Let's try again. Last time. That sounded like a pop. Damn. I don't know if it's flooded or not now. She's flooded. Yeah, baby. An O-ring. I told you. I just freaking proved it. So many people call me a liar on that shit. Jonathan Luna saw had a bad gas cap O-ring. So now we're going to let this bitch idle once we tune it in a little better for a tank. And then tomorrow, we'll start searching for a bar and chain for him and get him his prices. Listen, neighbors, Chainsaw Redeemer needs you to buy a chit. Seriously, buy some chit, please. Help the channel survive and live. Be kind to one another. Everyone's facing a battle. I love all of you guys. Thank you for your damn support. That's why I can keep going like this and persevere. Till next time, neighbors.